Today I'm going to show you how to check the account creation date on X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few seconds. This is a super simple method, and it's useful if you want to verify when an account was created, check how old a profile is, or quickly learn more about an account you follow. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and go to the profile of the account you want to check. You can do this by searching for the username, tapping the profile, or opening the account directly from a post. Once you're on the profile page, look just below the profile name and bio section. Right there, you should see the word joined, followed by a month and year. That joined date is the account creation date you're looking for. It tells you when that X account first started. For example, if you see joined March 2019, that means the account was created in March of 2019. This is the fastest and easiest way to check it, and you don't need any third-party tools or extra steps. Just remember that the joined date is only visible on the profile itself, so make sure you're on the correct account before you assume the date is accurate. If you're checking multiple accounts, repeat the same process for each profile. And if you don't see the join date right away, try refreshing the page or making sure you're viewing the full profile instead of a post preview. So that's it. Now you know how to check an X or Twitter account creation date in seconds. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.